Okay, I'll show you what we got here. We're fixing to seal this driveway. We came and laid the bricks back along the border here and across the middle, and we cleaned it, pressure washed it, and we filled these cracks in with the aggregate cement, which is the best you can put on an aggregate driveway. Now this hasn't been sealed yet. I'll take you to the back where we've started sealing just a little bit. Okay, see the difference? Makes it look like it's coated. It looks gorgeous, and it'll stay this color. This is a coat, and it can make it shiny, and it protects it, puts a waterproof on it and everything. So if you'd like to have something done like this, just let us know. I'm going to show you a final video here in just a minute. Okay, it may be hard to see the difference on this camera, but here's one side done, the other side not done. It's real shiny and sparkly, that's all I can say. Shining. Maybe hard for you to see on this camera, I'm sorry. But it's the best you can get. Alright, here we are. Finished product. If you look, you can see how shiny it is. And it's definitely looks like griddle. Shiny griddle. Well, I don't know if you can really see the difference. I can't really see nothing through this camera, but just know it looks really good. And we seal driveways. We do the cracks in driveways. You could hardly see that crack through there that we fixed. I mean, you barely can see it. See it now? It's hard to see it. If you need some work done, let us know. Repairsforyourhome.com. Keep watching the rest of our videos.
Hello guys, welcome again to another wonderful day and another wonderful job at Home Maintenance Masonry. We're here today doing a neighbor's job right here. What we're going to be doing is over here at this other house, we pressure washed the driveway, relaid the bricks, and sealed the driveway, and it made it real beautiful. I'll take you over here and let you get a look at it. If you've watched previous videos, you've probably seen how bad this driveway was. And now you can see how beautiful it is. It just shines. The bricks are relaid and in the right position. Everything looks real good. We did such a good job on it that the next door neighbor right here wants to get the same thing done at her house. So we've already chiseled out the cracks and whatnot, and we're going to be pressure washing it today. I just wanted to show you what it looks like before we pressure wash it. It's real dirty, nasty looking. Just, you know, doesn't look good. You know, all these homes in here are so beautiful, they should have a beautiful driveway too. And that's why everybody's getting it taken care of. We can take care of yours if you'd like. We're also doing another neighbor's job over here. Her driveway's fine. She just got it redone by someone else, but they went with regular concrete. Everybody in here has got aggregate, but she's got regular concrete. But what we're doing for her over here is two different things. Besides sawing a line straight down through here because they didn't put the proper expansion joints in. When you don't put the proper expansion joints in a driveway, it can cause cracking, and cracking can get worse. But if a expansion joint's there to catch the crack, it makes it a lot better. But for her, we're gonna come over here, and it's just too big of a step up into her front door here. So what we're going to do, we're going to build it by code. We're going to build her a 16 inch wide landing right here, so she can step up 4 inches and then step up another 4 inches into the front door. We're going to lay it right there, same length as the door. I'll show it to you later when we're finished laying it. It'll look real good. Another issue that she had, a lot of people have, and we can fix, is when you got these little gates leading into your backyard, a lot of times whoever did this laying, they didn't lay this brick wall properly, and you could tell by the big gap right here what's happened is it's sunk down in the front, and what that caused is now the gate will not latch. so she has to tie it with a piece of string or whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this thing up, and we can do this without tearing this whole wall down and rebuilding it, costing you a bunch of money. We're just going to do a simple fix, and it'll be fixed for good. We can do the same thing for you. So we'll come back later after we get finished with everything and show it all to you. Watch all our videos and check us out at repairsforyourhome.com.